the cosmonaut who watched his country disappear. In 1991, cosmonaut Sergei Krikalev launched from the Soviet Union and never returned to his home country. Krikalev blasted off with Soyuz TM-12 in May 1991 for what should have been a routine 5-month mission to the Mir space station. He was representing the mighty Soviet Union, one of two global superpowers. But whilst he orbited Earth every 90 minutes, his world was falling apart below. In August, hardliners attempted a coup. The Soviet Union began disintegrating. Among the nations seeking independence was Kazakhstan, home to the Soviet launch site, the Baikonur Cosmodrome. This could have ended the Soviet space program. Desperate to keep using the launch site, they made a last-minute change to the next mission, Soyuz TM-13. Instead of sending a flight engineer to replace Krikalev, they sent a Kazakh cosmonaut as a political gesture. So when the rest of the TM-12 crew and the Kazakh cosmonaut returned to Earth a week later, Krikalev had to stay at his post for another 5 months. In the meantime, his home country, the Soviet Union, ceased to exist. Krikalev's hometown of Leningrad was renamed St. Petersburg. When he finally landed in March 1992, Kazakhstan already was a foreign country. For Krikalev's career, the political change was for the better. He went on to become the first cosmonaut to fly space shuttle missions, helped build the International Space Station, and accumulated over 800 days in space, still among the top 3 for longest time away from Earth. All that high-speed orbital travel means Krikalev is now 0.02 seconds younger than if he'd stayed on Earth. Time dilation. Not the most effective, but certainly the most expensive anti-aging treatment.